Students of class 7, student, as we are reading the chapter 6, QBasic creating graphics, and today we have two topic to understand, to learn also, pset command and line commands. The student, on the online meeting, I told about the pset command, but that I could not tell about the line command, and I promised you to show you all these things in a practical form. To as I have brought to you a video for you to understand by the practical way. So let's have a look of the practical by using this command. So let's have a practical. Okay, student, as we have here the screen of the QBasic, and we will understand about the pset command. Pset, as a full form, the point set on the screen means according to our needs and according to our desire, we can set the pixel point or the drawing point, pixel point on any area of the screen. So here student, we start here some program to locate the point, to locate a pixel on the screen where we want to create. The first of all we start with as a CLS command. CLS, it is a clear screen. Then after screen 1, it will support your color and resolution of the screen. Next we provide here the color, as you know ki it is a background color and foreground color. So here CLOR color, and 14 will be as a background, and 0 will be for the as a text, or you can say foreground. Now we set here the point set, the p set here, and now we write here the 160 for the column and 100 for rows. So as you know, the coordination of the as a point, as I told you in the I mean on the meeting, on the online meeting, I told you about the coordination of how to make the line. Next we draw here, or you can see here, first of all the and press the F5. First of all I want to show here the point is here I located on the screen. Here mid of the screen you can see it is a brown color on the screen. So here student, as we have given here 160 and 100, it is what the point set. Now we draw here some as a line from starting that point where we have located that point as a pixel. So here you can see student F for that is a draw line diagonally upward direction toward the right side. So as a F50 VD, and now see again here as I press F5 for look how it will look to create a line. It means it will create draw command as it is used for the creating the line here. So pressing the F5, and you can see such a line for creating from starting that location where we have set that point. Here student, you can see this was the starting of the mid of the point, and now it is a which side here, the upward direction toward the right side. And now we want to here see the again without the using of the point set. Okay, now it is not showing. Okay, we restart here from the run, go to run and click on the restart, and now we see here again after the it is not placed in other location. Okay, now maybe it is a set default setting of the program. Now we again p set here in a different area. Okay, then we can see p set as a 160. We write about the column address here, and rows address as now we will write 50. Okay, and close the bracket, and now see press the F5. Here you can see this is the displacement of that line here, that was in the middle. The same way we can here change the other column here 16. Now we see here 16 column, but rows will be same as a 50. And again if we write here the one, so then it will be one column and 50 rows will be there, like here you can see student here, that is a one column and 50 rows. Student, as again we draw here some different as a drawing here. Now after the drawing you can see there was a no line. So here student, we write again 160 and 50 as a here the rows. So 160 as a column and 50 that is a rows. You can see as like see the excel address. If you remember, so automatically you can understand the pixel, I mean here the column and rows. So now draw here f50. F50 that will be as a diagonally upward direction toward here. The f50 that will be toward the right side upward, but that will be as a right side direction. Okay, okay, we can see here children. So now next we put here okay, press F5 and you can see that is this was the forward right side. And now we write here draw L that is the left side. That is, you can say flat line it will be created, means a left line created 100 now. Okay, it is a problem I think. Okay, now it is a spelling problem I think. DRAW. Okay, DRAW, here's a spelling wrong. DRAW. Okay, now you can see here this is the is a flat line, left line is green. Now next we will create as a right side. Okay, so that for the we write here the sorry upward to the right side, upward to the right side for writing here the 50. Okay, so it will locate again with, it will match with the F, means here you can say this way we create here the triangle has a three sides. And now if you want to make the star, so we opposite, we make the opposite triangle here, again set p set here. And this time also column will be as a 160, but rows will be different, 120. We okay, we write here 120. And now draw the as a upward direction toward the left side, so we have to move to the left side. So we write here h for it will move to upward direction to the left side. Okay bete. Now next here you can see, yes, this way we can move. And now next we move again to the right side. So for the right r we write here draw r, and everything whatever you are writing you will write in the quotation mark, mean double inverted comma. So r 100 here. And then again you can see press F5. Now it is a here right side, right line here. Okay, now next here we put here the G for that is a draw line downward direction toward the left side. So here again we write as a 50. Okay, and close the, now you can see as a pressing here. So student you can see here, you can see student, this is a now our star here as we have made by own way. The student, first of all you should understand the pixel point and its rows and column. So as you know starting from the rows and column, as it is a zero, you can understand by this way as a diagram. It is telling about here ki as you starting from the zero, the zero it means will be as a like here, means will be as a here 0. So 0 here is starting. Okay student, 0 here is starting. And you can understand like this here. Yes student, this is here the starting of the line. Okay, here it will be make as a 0 column. This is a here the column, you can say this is a here the column one by one. Here is a column. And rows like that is a here. So you know key as starting from the 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this will be as a okay column. Rows will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But rows and column when you want to locate this place, okay, so what would be happen, first we count the column, you 1 2 3 4 5 column. And which rows, 5 here 5 column. Okay, but 5 column here. But rows how many here, rows 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and 6 you can say. So it means be here will be 6 rows and 5. So 5 rows and 6 column. So we denote here by like this way 5 column and 6 rows. So here we as a mention with this as a like the rows and column on the screen. So student, I think you understood about this concept. Now next we understand the line command. Student, here we will understand about the line concept. The line concept, you know ki for drawing the line statement we have to understand the column and rows again. And line command we have to write the line, line, line. as in instead of the draw command, we write here the line if you want to create a line. The student, I think you understand the coordination of the rows and column. So here we write as a program. The first is starting with the here CLS. You know ki why do I write the CLS? As you know, ki it is a clear the screen previous output. And now we write here screen 1 as a supporting the resolution and the color here. I mean screen color. And now color background and foreground you have to write here COLOR, and 2 for as a background and 0 for as a text, or you can say as a foreground. Okay, now then we write here line we have to write, and then open the bracket, and here write as a column address as a 0. If you write here the 0 0 0, the 0 column 0 rows. Okay, so it will start from the starting of the screen, starting of the point. Now dash, that dash it is means and now open the bracket here 319 and 119 here. Okay student, so as we write here, and next line you can say here it was started 0 0.0 here, and now here it is below from the 190 319 19 319 to 199. So here next again here you want to cross that line, so we start from there 300 as a 19, that will be the end of the point, and this time we will mention the 0 as a here, this will be as a column, that will be rows 399 start, and 0 that was starting of the as a rows here, and 100 now it is a starting point again, that is a here rows, and then it will make like this cross sign. Okay, student, understood or not? Okay, once again student, here you can understand the line command by using here the rows and column. So I think you understand, I understood or not, so, but here I am making understand you again here, make you understand again here. The first what you will start from that as a started from the 0 point. Okay, now that is a 0 point here, 0 point here. Okay, you can say that is a 0 point, and that is a 0 column and 0 rows here, this is a 0 rows here suppose. Okay, and it is a starting point, means a starting point, what is a 0 column 0 rows, that is a starting point here. Okay, and the end point here, okay, end point that is a here, means this side. Okay, you can say this side means in the corner, little corner here this is a point where it is located, that is the point name 319 column, 319 column means this there will be here upside, that will be the 319 columns in the end of the picture you can see, and 199 rows, that is a here 199, that is rows here. So this will it cross the sign this way and match with this line. Okay student, and then again it was started the column here 319. Okay, 319 and 0 rows. So 0 rows is starting with here in the end of the where it is aeroplane, it is showing now. Yes, this point as a starting of the 0 rows. Okay, so that starting point as starting with from there, and it will go to the 199 rows. Okay, this column has a name 319 column, and it will go to the 199 rows. So it will cross each to other, means it will intersect to each other here. Now student, let here create to the triangle again. As you know ki triangle has three sides, I told you in earlier program with using the p set. Now we start here the line set. Okay, we draw the command here with the line command. The 200 as 100, that is a column and rows, it is a starting point, and 250 and 250 it will be as the ending point, 250 to 150, and okay 150. So if you want to write a color, want to give the 5 here, comma after comma, and 5 it is giving the color, okay, with this line. So if you want to give the line, you can give any color other also. Line here next again means has a three sides. You can see one side it has created. Now starting one again side you have to create it from where 250, that was the starting ending point. The we this second line when you start from that line na 250, then comma this time we 150. The same starting point that will be same as you start from the first line to create the triangle. So then first line you have to cross, then second line start from to create that point na, same like here. So now dash here, and now we go to the second line till 125. Okay, so we open the bracket here, 125 comma 100. Okay, now you can, now you close the bracket. Okay, I forgot to open the bracket. Okay, now close here the bracket. 125 to 100 will be as a second line to create to, and then again color, and third line we create from the second line. You can see here this is the second line. Now third line we want to create the, from the second line start from the second line. So what you will be the point line. Okay, this side this time we are right here the 125 and 100 है ना, that was the starting line from creating third line. The third line we go to the as a starting from that line the point na 200 or 100. So you will write here 200 and 100. So this way we will create here the third line. Now our triangle would be completed. So this way we provide the color also here, comma 5. Okay, so comma 5 we write here for the creating the third line. As you understand here ki third line as a creating the point to the matching or to join with the starting of the point. Then you can create here like 5 given the color and end, or you can say press the F5. Now you can see this is here the triangle, and for making according to our way. Now student, after this we will understand here the box. Okay, bf here the box and fill color. So now here the line we create any line, okay, for here drawing. So we create here as a line and 100, and now we put here the 100 the 100 that is the column, and rows is the same position. Okay, same point here, and now dash 150 or 150, that will be as a creating the line. Okay, and color you can give the color here 1. Okay, let's press F5. Oh no, it is not showing, like I think like color is matched now. Okay, change the color here, color change, and now write 4 and then press F5. Here student you can see this is a created the line, but we want to make the box now. So we write here b comma b, and then we check out what would be happened pressing the F5 press after comma providing the b here. So it will create the box. So you can write this way as a for the box program. You can see here it is a box, and but if you want to fill the color inside the box student, as you can see here this is a box. So now for that we put here as a, here you can see it is a, if you don't apply the b, so it will not create a box, and if you provide the b, then it will create the box here. Now as a we provide here the f also, f it is a for the fill the color inside the box. Okay, so for that we put here the f. Okay, we write here fbf it is a box and fill color. You can see here, you can see student this is a filling with the box as a color with color. So student, I think you can do this program at your home. So it is very easy to use. I think now it is 20 minutes this video. I think will this video will give you very interactive knowledge related to the QBasic. So I think and I expect to you will do this program at your home by understanding this video. So thank you student, thank you for watching this video.